Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. In this video we will have a look at the Ontario Knives wraith folder. It's the wraith Ice series. This one is in green. Unfortunately no longer made. This is a made in Taiwan folding knife. There are still some variations out there. If you want to have one, you can get them in different colors. The green, blue, red, clear see-through, and of course black. Black is a standard version. Again, the knife is no longer made. That is how that is. Ontario, as a US knife company, did close down a couple weeks ago, and we're quite likely going to see cheaper made in China knives with Ontario on it. That's my guess on it, because it's gonna go in a similar direction, quite likely like back then with Schrade USA. But that is how that is. So what we have is a modern medium size lock back, mid lock, one hand opener knife with a pocket clip there. There we see the lock bar in the middle, about I would say similar to a Spyderco back lock, mid lock design. We have the thumb studs on both sides, relative tall, and we have the blade. As best as I remember, it's OS 8. Stainless steel, 440C range, relative well in the cutting and all that, no problem in that regards. We have a full flat grind. The item is brand new with the box. Again, there are some are still for sale, but no more of them gonna come into the country. So what is really unique on that one, and that's why I got it, is that green color of slight translucent polymer handle that it has. I just like the color a lot. Oh yes, many years ago, maybe 15 years ago, something like that, Columbia River Knives and Tools made a special limited edition of the Rollock, as best as I remember, in I would say a similar or the same polymer handle color of a polymer, and since then I like that a lot. That was a limited edition, long gone of course. We're talking many years. So as I saw that in green, I would really have to have it, and that's why I got it. Again, you can get it in different colors. The most popular for sure gonna be black. I just like the green, that's nice, and yeah, it's for collection, it's not that much for use. So as I close it down, the item has a mid-lock there, a bar. We have a clip that we can remove, but yeah, it actually gonna go in the other side too. We see there a little cutout there for the clip, so that gonna go on it. We have a relative big private pin with a screw, so it's adjustable there. The main negative, I would say, the handle is really sculptured. You have a bit thinner parts, a bit thicker parts, thinner parts, rounded off, really nice. But where the opener part is here, it's not much of a cutout, so you have really not much to grab on the blade studs to open it up. That is a bit the negative. So this of course on both sides, I hope we see that on the video. So if that would have been my design, it should have been more of a cutout on this part here, so you can easier open it and close it. That is how that is. But again, I did not get that for everyday carry and use. I got that for my study collection. The backlock there is a traditional design. We even see halfway through that semi-translucent polymer there the spring that is going into here. Nothing, technically nothing really revolutionary or something. We see there the stop point in the lock bar so that the blade doesn't touch anything of the rocker, of the locking, and or on the spring here. So that works out pretty good. As I push it in, it will not touch. So pretty nice. The blade is centered relatively well too. Build quality for sure is there. It's just the point that you can't easily open the blade up. And size wise it's medium the most. I have rather large hands, so it's a bit on the smaller compact size, but it's also relatively lightweight with the fully flat ground blade there. So as you see, as I open it, you need to press down quite a bit, then you can open it up. I still need to loosen up the screw here a bit, that it walks and talks a bit better and a bit more easy. That's gonna come one day, but again, it's not for using, it's just for the collection, because now is the time. If you want to have a Ontario knife from especially the made in USA ones, even the ones that were made in Taiwan, like this one, no longer made, no longer imported, it's just what is on the market and then it's gone. So now is the time. If you want one, you better look for a deal and get it. So that much for the Ontario Knives wraith Ice series.